This is the Otis Otilec at Central Station platforms 5 and 6. This thing is going to be replaced soon. The tender for the replacement of this lift and escalators to these platforms got awarded quite recently, last month. So I may as well get a video of this thing before it's too late, like I have sometimes. Positioning system looks like it's been maybe updated recently. Well, not recently. Doesn't look original though. $11.56 kilograms, 18 persons. This one's a lot better than the N Street one. I don't know why this one's getting replaced before the N Street one, but whatever. QR's a bit weird. Door operator has been replaced with AMD. One last ride.